Have you ever felt a strange pull, a sense of mystery that you just can't explain? What if I told you our planet is dotted with places where the laws of physics seem to bend, where compasses spin wildly, and where people and vessels have vanished without a trace? These aren't just plots from science fiction movies. They are real locations known as vile vortices. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the heart of these enigmatic zones. We'll explore the most famous and infamous of them all, the Bermuda Triangle, its chilling counterpart in the Pacific, the Devil's Sea, and a lesser-known but equally perplexing area in Algeria. What connects these strange places? Are they gateways to another dimension, zones of bizarre natural phenomena, or something else entirely? Let's dive into the mystery and try to unravel the secrets of Earth's mysterious vortexes. Let's start with the one everyone knows, the Bermuda Triangle, spanning a vast area between Bermuda, Florida, and Puerto Rico. This stretch of the Atlantic Ocean has earned a fearsome reputation. The legend truly took flight in the post-World War II era. The most famous incident is arguably the disappearance of Flight 19 in 1945. 5 U.S. Navy Avenger torpedo bombers vanished during a routine training mission. Even more bizarrely, a Martin Mariner flying boat sent to search for them also disappeared, with all 13 crew members aboard. No wreckage, no bodies, nothing was ever found. Then there's the USS Cyclops, a massive U.S. Navy collier that vanished in 1918 with 306 crew and passengers. It was one of the single largest losses of life in U.S. naval history, not involving combat. It sent its last message from near Barbados, and then silence. Decades of theories have tried to explain these events. Some point to rogue waves, massive underwater methane gas eruptions that could swallow a ship whole, or extreme and unpredictable weather patterns like microbursts. Others suggest something more unusual. Could powerful electromagnetic anomalies be scrambling navigation systems and communication equipment? The U.S. Coast Guard and other official bodies don't recognize the Bermuda Triangle as a specific geographic hazard, attributing the incidents to human error and severe weather. Yet, the sheer number of unresolved cases keeps the mystery alive, and the legend of the triangle continues to captivate and terrify us. Now, let's travel to the other side of the world, to the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Japan. Here lies a region with a similarly sinister reputation, known as the Devil's Sea, or the Dragon's Triangle. Just like its Atlantic cousin, this area is notorious for unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. Japanese fishermen have long considered it a danger zone, telling tales of dragons and sea monsters pulling vessels beneath the waves. The mystery deepened in the 1950s, when the Japanese government took a serious interest. Between 1952 and 1954, 5 military vessels were reportedly lost in the area with over 700 people. The most famous of these was the research vessel, the Kayo Maru No. 5, which was sent to investigate the strange activity. It vanished with its entire crew of 31 scientists and sailors. This prompted the Japanese government to officially label the area as a danger zone. What could be happening in the Devil's Sea? Geologically, it's an incredibly active region. It sits above the Izu-Ogasawara Trench, a deep-sea trench where tectonic plates are colliding. This results in intense seismic activity, including underwater volcanoes and earthquakes, which could trigger tsunamis and release huge amounts of gas. These natural events could certainly explain the sudden loss of ships. Some researchers also point to the Kuroshio Current, a powerful ocean current that flows through the area, creating complex and unpredictable sea conditions. While science offers plausible explanations, the folklore and the sheer scale of the reported losses give the Dragon's Triangle an enduring air of mystery. It seems that on opposite sides of the globe, the ocean holds very similar and very dark secrets. So we have the Bermuda Triangle in the Atlantic and the Devil's Sea in the Pacific. What's the connection? This is where the work of a fascinating and controversial researcher named Ivan T. Sanderson comes in. In the late 1960s and early 70s, Sanderson, a biologist with a passion for the unexplained, proposed a mind-bending theory. He noticed that many of the world's most mysterious disappearances and strange phenomena were clustered in very specific locations, He plotted these locations on a map and discovered what he believed was a pattern. He identified 12 of these vile vortices, spaced evenly around the globe. 5 are in the northern hemisphere, 5 are in the southern hemisphere, and then you have the north and south poles themselves. The Bermuda Triangle and the Devil's Sea are the two most famous of these 12 points. According to Sanderson, these vortices are like the intersections of a massive, invisible energy grid covering the planet. He theorized that these points are epicenters of immense electromagnetic disturbances. These vortices could be caused by the interplay of hot and cold currents under the surface, creating what he called anomalous magnetic and gravitational fields. In his view, these weren't paranormal or supernatural zones, but areas where extreme but natural forces were at play. These forces could be strong enough to disrupt instruments, cause mechanical failures, and even, he speculated, create temporary warps in space-time, swallowing vessels whole. While Sanderson's theory is not accepted by mainstream science, it provides a compelling framework that attempts to link these seemingly unrelated mysteries into a single global phenomenon. Let's move away from the ocean and venture into the heart of the Sahara Desert, to a place just as strange as the Bermuda Triangle. We're going to Algeria, to an area near the Tamanrasset region. This is another one of Sanderson's proposed vile vortices. While it doesn't have the same reputation for swallowing ships and planes, for obvious reasons, it is known for its own brand of weirdness. This region of the Sahara is infamous among pilots and travelers for severe electronic disturbances. Compasses, both magnetic and gyroscopic, are known to malfunction wildly. GPS systems can become unreliable, and radio communications often fail without warning. The local Tuareg people, who have navigated the desert for centuries using the stars, have long considered certain areas to be places of strange energy, places to be avoided. What makes this desert vortex so peculiar? Unlike the marine vortices, we can't blame underwater volcanoes or rogue waves. However, the geology of the region is incredibly interesting. It's home to the Hoggar Mountains, a range of volcanic origin. The area is rich in minerals with magnetic properties, like magnetite. Large underground deposits of these minerals could create significant magnetic anomalies, powerful enough to interfere with navigational equipment. Could these natural magnetic fields be the source of the legends? It's a compelling scientific explanation, and yet the idea that this specific spot thousands of miles from the sea shares a mysterious energetic link with the Bermuda Triangle and the Devil's Sea as part of a global grid is a tantalizing thought that continues to fuel speculation and research into these powerful places on our planet. So what's the verdict on these mysterious vortexes? We have 3 very different locations: an ocean triangle, a treacherous sea, and a vast desert, all exhibiting similar strange phenomena: electronic interference, navigational failures, and a history of unexplained disappearances. Are they truly connected as points on a global energy grid as Ivan Sanderson proposed? Or is it all just a coincidence? Science offers logical and often compelling explanations for each location. The Bermuda Triangle has extreme weather and potential gas blowouts. The Devil's Sea has intense volcanic and seismic activity. The Algerian vortex has massive mineral deposits that create magnetic anomalies. It's plausible that these are simply unique, hazardous environments where natural forces are amplified. Human error, combined with these powerful natural phenomena, could account for many, if not all, of the reported incidents. However, the patterns are hard to ignore. The symmetrical placement of these zones around the globe, as identified by Sanderson, is intriguing. Could there be a larger unified field theory of Earth's mysteries waiting to be discovered? Perhaps these vortices are points where the Earth's magnetic field is unusually weak or strong, creating natural gateways for strange energy fluctuations. The truth is, we don't know for sure, and that's what makes it so fascinating. These places remind us that even in our modern, hyper-connected world, there are still parts of our planet that remain profoundly mysterious, defying easy explanation and sparking our imagination. What do you think? Are these vile vortices just a collection of unrelated danger zones, or are they evidence of something more profound about the planet we live on? Let me know your theories down in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the unknown. If you enjoyed this exploration of Earth's mysteries, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into fascinating topics. Ringing that notification bell means you'll never miss an adventure. Until next time, stay curious.